Guys, we got another video for you. We're going to be using these little anchors, these little wall anchors. So we're going to be using a 3/16 inch drill bit. Go ahead and pop these bad boys out. What you get is the wall anchor and the screw, like that. Now, first thing it tells us to do is to drill a hole. If you haven't ever used a drill, you'll put your drill bit in here, you'll tighten it up like that. Okay, this is your sheetrock. They usually put some mud on here, they slick it down, they put some texture. This is what you got on the front side of your wall. This is what the back of your wall looks like. On the outside walls, you'll have some insulation in here, and then all throughout the house, they'll be running like boxes in here for outlets, for electrical outlets. But this is just a little mock-up. So let's go ahead and drill a hole where we're going to put our anchor. Okay. So there's your hole, and you either take a mallet or a hammer, and you take your wall anchor, and we'll beat that through that hole right there. So let's take the mallet, and we'll just okay, got it in the wall. Insert this into the wall. As you insert this into the wall, it tightens up on the wall anchor. You can use your power tool if you want. Sometimes it's best if you're hanging something to make sure you don't damage your sheetrock, is to just go ahead and screw it in by hand. You can use a drill and just drill this in, so you don't waste a lot of time. But you can drill it in right there, hang whatever you need, or if you want to adjust it, get it a little closer and snug, you tighten it down. There you go. And now that's pretty secure in the wall. If you see, the wall anchor splits, and that's snug into this sheetrock. Okay, that's the whole point of it. Now you can hang whatever you need to hang, and you're good to go. And I think I got these for like a few bucks, maybe $5, $6. But there they are. Here's the number if you need to get some for yourself. If you like the video, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.